Imagine he said it's not his decision. He said that 19% was not his decision. Can you imagine that? Ano pala siya doon? 'Di ba? He was supposed to go there to negotiate. And then what will come out of his stupid mouth is that he did not come there, he did not go there. It's not up to him. You're supposed to negotiate, you idiot. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
And what does that mean? Talagang kawawa ang Pilipino dahil yung mga nagnenegosyo dito, ang magiging karibal nila mga stateside na products na magaganda na mas mura. Ano laban mo? So talagang he really honestly, I looked at the photos. I'm not being snarky. He went there to have a photo op with Trump because he was really fanboy. Nakikita mo, he was groveling, parang kilig na kilig siya. And then in the press con, he said, it's not up to him. So that idiot went there to have a photo opportunity with Trump. That was all he was there for, nothing else. And maybe to negotiate, no? Because how can you negotiate really well if your wife is facing a scandal, drugs, that involve the death of a Filipino there, right there, cocaine pa, 'di ba? So how can you cannot negotiate from a position of strength. Wala. So this couple, no, this Marcos, this family is really dragging our country down to hell.